What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs, and today we have a pretty special and new vehicle. We have the new G90 M5 in the shop at our HQ here in Boyertown, Pennsylvania, where we're going to be producing one of the best sounding exhaust systems on the market, and to what I believe is going to be one of the first as well. It's a pretty cool spec on the car. I think it's San Marino, and it has this beautiful brown interior as well. Brand new, still has all of the stickers inside. So coming around back, as you can see, G2 Auto Group is who gave us the car, and you can see the stock exhaust tips. So quite boring, and it is very, very quiet. This car is known to sound like a vacuum cleaner. Me and Cody, we're gonna take you guys on a drive right now, but we're gonna show you just how boring it is on the interior with the stock exhaust, and we're gonna change that very soon when we come back. So come along, come join us inside the car. As you guys can see, as of right now, feels like I'm in church, that's how quiet it is. And also what's interesting too is that you may hear a little bit of overrun and some drama inside the car, but to be honest, it's all just fake noise. All of this sound you're hearing is just pumped through the speakers right now. What do you think, Cody?
Definitely tons of power, but lacking in the sound department.
Yeah, definitely. We'll be quick to change that here soon. Very lackluster in here right now, so we'll give you guys a couple sound clips of stock, and then we'll bring it back to the shop and we'll throw it up on the lift, and we'll show you guys what we have in store, and you're not going to want to miss it. It's going to be really, really cool. We got Luke working on our developments. We're very, very excited to see how this is going to play out. We think it's going to sound absolutely incredible. Stay tuned. We're going to show you guys all of the developments and all of the sound characteristics after we're finished and we're happy with the sound. There's actually no valves on the stock exhaust, which is pretty unheard of for, you know, a new car. We believe it's because it's a whole hybrid system and it has the hybrid battery, and that we will keep you guys in the loop. So stay tuned. We got pretty much majority of the system finished here and fitted. Alrighty, so we are inside the G90. Interior is pretty cool. I don't know if they offer this with the carbon buckets.
I don't think so. I think they only came with the comfort seats, which are really comfy.
Yeah, which matches the vibe of the whole car. But
look at that steering wheel too, the new LCI G80 steering wheel.
So you have valves open, valves closed, and hybrid, which is pretty cool. So put ourselves in, you can hear the motor turn on there. But with M2, what's very interesting is, so you could turn the M sound on and off, and you'll hear the difference now. So beforehand, with the M sound off, yeah, so there was no valves on it, so we used our electronic valve harness, so you can hear it's nice and loud. So I'll give you guys some revs now. I'll show you guys valves closed. Pretty quiet. Open them up. Way, way louder. And then if we were to turn the M sound on, you have that through the speakers.
Yeah,
and the overrun.
It's an overrun. It's all fake.
Yeah.
This setup right now, we are stock downpipes, so it's not the loudest thing in the world, but it sounds, in my opinion, very clean. I like the sound of Valvetronic systems with stock downpipes personally.
Yeah. We have the GoPro in here as well. Taylor GoPro, and we have the interior vlog as well. So it'll be pretty cool. You guys are gonna get the full sound experience. So we're not gonna do too much talking. That's why we did it here at the shop. So sit back, relax, and enjoy a Valvetronic G90 BMW M5, and first exhaust system in the world as well for this car.
Oh my God,
yeah.
Power's crazy.
Very, very fast, this car. For somebody's first ride, it's gonna be pretty cool to see Brandon's reaction, for sure. Another really cool feature about this car is the electronic hybrid assist. So I'm sure you guys heard that when they dropped this car, obviously it has the twin turbo V8, but it is electronically assisted. I will be honest, it feels like a twin charged car. It's really interesting. Obviously the turbos that'll, you know, bring you throughout the RPMs, but as soon as you like really step on the gas, it doesn't matter what RPM you're at. It's kind of like a supercharged application. It's really interesting.
I'm just getting sucked back into my seat.
Yeah, good thing you got the comfort seats. You feel that there, the electronic assist?
Yeah, it's like instant torque.
Yeah, exactly what it is. Yeah, pretty wild. This is a true exhaust note that everybody else will be able to hear, and not just you.
I don't even feel the weight. This car gets so much hate for how much it weighs. It feels like an F90. Holy shit.
I mean, dude, that was like 30% throttle.
That's
pretty
crazy.
Yeah. For those viewers watching, if you guys are into BMWs, and I'm sure you are watching this video, BMW actually lied with this car about the horsepower numbers.
As they usually do.
Which people have found out after throwing this thing on a dyno. It actually makes way more than they anticipated.
That's crazy.
My head almost hit the headliner, and I am about 5'5".
How does it feel while driving? Is it boaty? Do you feel like you're in a big...
You can feel the size of the car, don't get me wrong, but you know, BMW did a nice job to where it kind of makes up for it with the power. How about that sound though?
It sounds really good.
You get the whip cracks on the shifts too.
What's it sound like with M sound on? Jesus.
I mean,
Yeah.
that's
Got to the speed limit real quick.
Quick.
We are located in the...
Mexico. Guadalajara.
Yeah.
So a big shout out to G2 Auto Group as well for supplying us with this car. You know, this wouldn't have been possible without them, so a big special shout out to them. We're happy to be, you know, have them a part of the Valvetronic family. And we're gonna leave their socials in the description below if you guys want to go check them out. They have a lot of really cool cars as well.
Yep, helping us get the first production G90 M5 system working.
Touchscreen vents.
Wild.
I mean, dude, that is just... So we're gonna take Brandon, we're gonna throw him in the exterior now. He's gonna be doing my job for right now.
Yes.
We're gonna throw him in the exterior, we're gonna give you guys some exterior footage, do some flybys and such, so.
We'll see you guys out there. When he upshifted, there was like a massive pop. Really cool. That thing is quick.
Alrighty everyone, that is the ultimate G90 M5 experience. It's been an absolute pleasure to be the first exhaust company in the world to produce a exhaust system for the G90 M5. So stay tuned for when we put the more freer flowing components up front and this thing gets a whole lot more rowdy. Like we said, we all love this car over at Valvetronic and we're gonna absolutely save the platform with what we're about to do to this thing. So make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, comment what you think. If you guys are interested in possibly doing a pre-order for this G90 exhaust that we're gonna be launching early 2025, please reach out to us at info@valvetronic.com or go on our website to our live chat bot and one of our customer service reps will take care of you. We'll be happy to give you guys more information as the time comes. Hopefully you guys did enjoy and stay tuned for the next video with the free flow downpipes. Take care.